Hola! In this video lesson, we're going to continue with telling time in Spanish. If you remember, ¿qué hora es means what time is it? Let's review the basic hours. Es la una, son las dos, son las tres, son las cuatro, son las cinco, son las seis, son las siete, son las ocho, son las nueve, son las 10, son las 11, son las 12. And if I add minutes, we say the hour as normal and then add the number. Son las 2:22. Son las 5:43. Son las 10:01. And we also had two additional words for 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Son las 8:15 would also be son las 8:15. Both are used and they mean the same thing. Son las 11:15. Son las 11:15. Media means half, but you might remember middle. So you could say es la 1:30 or es la 1:30. Again, they're the same thing. Son las 7:30 or son las 7:30. Remember that media is only for exactly 30 minutes after. Pause the video and see if you can figure out how to say these three in Spanish, based on how I've taught you so far. Okay, you should have come up with son las 7:40, son las 3:55, y son las 12:46. Now, if you don't mind a little bit of math, there's another way to do this in some places, when the numbers are higher up there, similar to in English. For 7:40, if you really think about it, 7:40 is 8 o'clock minus 20 minutes. So we could say, using menos for minus, son las 8 menos 20. Then for the other two, 4 o'clock minus 5 minutes would give you 3:55. So we could say, son las 4 menos 5. Or 12:46 is really 1 o'clock minus 14. So we could say, es la 1 menos 14. Pretty easy, right? So the original way that we can tell time in Spanish is es or son, and then la or las, and then the hour, which is the number, and then y, and then the number of minutes. And then you could also add the time of day. For this, though, we're going to say es la or son las, and then we're going to take the hour plus 1, and then take 60 minutes minus the number of minutes in the hour. So make sure you're adding that 1 to the hour when you're doing this. And you can say it the first or second way without any problems. Although the first way might be more common in some places, the second way might be more common in other places. Well, that's it for this video lesson on another way to tell time in Spanish. Hopefully, you found it helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for updates on new Spanish video lessons. If this video was helpful, you might check out some other videos in this series. If you want to practice telling time with menos like we did in this video, click on this video. Or if you want to review the first way of telling time, click on this video. Or if you want to see one more way that we could tell time in other Spanish-speaking countries, click on this video. Gracias por mirar y nos vemos.